Hello, Mercy Rodriguez here, week 2, MPA 585. Today I'm going to discuss a classic example of market failure, which is our national defense. This case will show why governments often need to step in when markets cannot provide certain goods. So, what is market failure? A market failure occurs when the free market cannot efficiently allocate goods or services. So, this can often happen with public goods, which are both non-excludable and non-competitive. So in other words, you can't stop people from benefiting, and one person's use doesn't necessarily reduce availability for others. And because of this, private firms can't make a profit providing these goods, so the market simply doesn't supply them. So the good the market failed to produce. So let's take national defense as an example. National defense is what we call a public good. It has three characteristics, in my opinion. First, everyone benefits from it. So once it's provided, if the country is defended, all citizens receive protection, whether they personally contributed to paying for it or not. Second, you cannot exclude non-payers. So this is known as a free rider program. So people can refuse to pay for the defense but still enjoy the benefits, which makes it impossible for a private company to charge fees. And third, one person's protection does not reduce another, so my safety doesn't diminish your safety. And because of this, there's no rivalry in consumption. So when you put all this together, you can see why markets fail. A private company would have no financial incentive to produce national defense because they cannot collect revenue in a fair way. And as a result, the market would underproduce or not produce defense at all, leaving our society vulnerable, and that's why the government must intervene. So with government intervention, to address this, they do intervene. First, it provides resources by collecting taxes. Second, it produces the good directly by creating the military, the defense agencies, all the infrastructure with the Department of Defense, and then this would ensure national security for the entire population. So some key takeaways. First, markets fail when they face public goods that are non-excludable and non-rivalrous. National defense is one of the clearest examples, in my opinion. Left to the market alone, these goods would simply not be produced. And second, the government plays two distinct but connected roles, provision and production. Provision meaning collecting resources through taxation to make defense possible, and production meaning actually delivering the good through the military and related defense systems. Both steps are necessary. And finally, there is a bit of a broader lesson here. Government involvement isn't just about filling gaps, it's about ensuring equity, security, and universal access. So without intervention from the government, many essential services would be underprovided or absent, and society as a whole would suffer. So national defense shows us why the public sector, in my opinion, is vital in addressing market failures. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy my presentation.